kiss dyan.
Dito ikaw ah.
Ganun meron dapat. Gusto ko, pikitang baby.
Oh, close eyes, ate.
Close your eyes.
Close your... Dito ka, Soy. Dito ka lang. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, ate.
Walang man.
Walang cry.
Yate.
Lalagyan lang ng toothpaste, lalagyan lang toothpaste.
Napakatapang mo, bebe. Ikaw pa. Lola mo, Elsie.
Close your eyes, ate. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Ha, 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 ha.
Close your eyes.
Ay, wala
Close
pa
your
nga.
eyes. Close your eyes.
Ay, wala pa nga, Apo.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Hindi.
Close your eyes, ate.
Ang pangit niyan, mabubutas ka dito.
Bili, para birthday mo, lalabas na yung bago mong teeth. Bili. Lalabas na yung bagong teeth niya.
Masakit eh. Kurot-kurot lang. Masakit ba yung kurot ni
I
Lola?
just want you to know. Pikit ka, ha?
Close your
Kasi
eyes.
pag hindi
Close
ka
your eyes.
nag-close magagalit si Tooth Fairy.
Oh, para may money ikaw mamaya.
Ha? Si Tooth Fairy?
Lalabas yung si Tooth Fairy later.
Si Tooth Fairy?
Oo.
No.
Huwag malikot, huwag malikot, Apom.
No, don't.
Kurot lang yan ni Lola.
Kasi,
Kurot ni
kayen.
Wag. No. Ay, open your mouth.
Open.
Ay, naku. Open your mouth. Just
Kayen.
It's okay.
Weh!
It's okay.
Okay lang.
It's okay. Yes, it's okay.
Wala na.
Yun lang naman masakit eh. Wait.
Huwag mo lulukin. Huwag mo lulukin.
Yan lang. Parang bako. Mumog.
Mumog, tapo mo dito, Apo. Ay, Apo, bakit?